Welcome to GRiPO Flow. TLS certificates are essential for keeping websites, APIs, and digital services secure. But every certificate has an expiration date. If it expires without being renewed, users may see security warnings, HTTPS connections can fail, APIs can stop communicating, and critical services can become unavailable. And this isn't just a problem for a single website. Modern enterprises manage certificates across websites, APIs, cloud applications, internal services, Kubernetes clusters, load balancers, VPNs, microservices, staging environments, and other critical infrastructure. As your infrastructure grows, manually tracking all these certificates becomes time-consuming and easy to overlook. And the worst part? You may not realize a certificate is about to expire until it actually causes an outage. That's why enterprises need automated TLS certificate monitoring to identify certificates that are approaching expiration and take action before they become a problem. This is where GRiPO can help. With GRiPO Flow, we can automate TLS certificate monitoring through a workflow that checks the certificate, calculates the remaining validity period, and sends an alert when it approaches expiration. Let's take a look at how this workflow handles the process. If you'd like to learn how to build workflow in GRiPO Flow, you can check out our tutorials for a step-by-step guide. The workflow starts with a sandbox app, where we select Python as the programming language and run a Python script to check the website's TLS certificate. The script defines the target domain, the HTTPS port 443, and a threshold of 100 days. The script establishes a secure TLS connection, retrieves the TLS certificate, and checks its expiration date. It calculates the remaining days and triggers a warning if fewer than 100 days remain, otherwise the certificate is considered valid. Next, the workflow moves to a logic condition, which evaluates the result generated by the Python script. If the certificate is still valid and does not require attention, no email notification is sent. However, if the certificate is approaching expiration and requires attention, the workflow proceeds to the email activity. The email activity is configured to send an automated SSL certificate expiry alert to the specified email address. The message notifies the team that the certificate is approaching expiration and recommends renewing or replacing it before it expires. Now, click Save and then Run to execute the workflow. As the workflow runs, each activity is executed in sequence. The green check marks indicate that each step has been completed successfully. Once the execution is complete, GRiPO Flow automatically processes the certificate information and sends the TLS certificate expiry alert directly to the specified email address. As you can see, the alert has been delivered successfully, providing the team with the certificate details and enough time to take action before it expires and causing disruption to the services. With GRiPO Flow, you can automate certificate monitoring and other security workflows in a secure, isolated environment using sandboxes. Try GRiPO Flow today and automate your security workflows with confidence. Make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and stay updated. Thanks for watching.